Preparation is essential for every negotiation. When it's come to a negotiation with your Chinese partner, try not to over-engineer your preparation. Try not to concentrate yourself only according to the topic. It's better to find out the background of your partner. Who is she? Who is she? Where is she from? What's the core, concern of him or her? What's the team background? If you do your preparation on the topic basis, and if you get the background of your partner, I think you will be like a tiger with two wings. Leadership in Schranner methodology is getting to the driver's seat. If you drive a car, if you want to define the direction, you cannot only always sit in the passenger seat. You have to get yourself in the driver's seat. I think that's the same, regardless if you negotiate with a German partner, with a Chinese partner, that this always remains the same. Considerate of the Chinese mentality, don't enter a negotiation with arrogance. Enter a negotiation with politeness, with respect of your counterpartner. That will enable you for your success. In the negotiation with a Chinese partner, when you have the feeling that the negotiation don't go smoothly or just not running smoothly as you want it, as you imagine, don't just stop and go away. Don't shout, don't show your anger. Try to bring your Chinese partner with you. Try to stress the common interest of your side. Try to leave yourself a back door to come back again. You have to be able to come back to negotiate with a Chinese partner, so don't burn the bridge behind you.